Hey everybody, it's Jim from Champion of Breakfast. Today I'm going to make a classic egg muffin. And although I'm wearing my NASA shirt, this is not rocket science. It's really easy to do. In fact, it's so easy, I'm going to put a timer on this thing and we are going to see how long it takes. So I've already got 2 minutes in because I've got my toasted English muffin here. So I'm going to lay that on my plate. And I'm going to use an egg ring. This thing is called an egg ring. You buy these on Amazon for, I think they're like $15.95 for 4 of them. Like this. They're made out of silicone, which is kind of nice. They also have ones that are made out of metal, but I think the silicone is better. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into our hot frying pan, and we're going to spray some pan spray liberally, and then we're going to crack an egg into it. Man, you can see that pan is smoking. It is hot. It is hot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this yolk because we're making it like that one fast food place, you know, that people buy these at. So we're going to try to follow their style and their recipe. So, and again, you don't have to use an egg ring. If you just want to make it in a pan, that is absolutely no problem at all. And while that egg is cooking, I'm gonna throw the English muffin or the Canadian bacon in alongside of it to heat up. And I'm going all the way. I'm going to use 2 slices of Canadian bacon here. And now I've got some American cheese, and I like American cheese for this. I'm not a big American cheese fan. I like cheddar cheese and Swiss and all that stuff and better cheeses. But for a fast recipe where you're imitating fast food, basically, that's what they're going to probably use, the American cheese. So use the kind of cheese you want, but American is nice in that it melts really fast. So this egg is coming along. We want this egg to be done enough where it's not going to fall apart and run out of our ring after we install it until we use a ring. So I'm kind of sliding it around, and I can see it's going to be a little bit loose on top, but it's going to stay in one place. So let's give this thing a flip. Wow, we are moving along fast here. Let me grab my cheese. We'll put that right on top of our egg. We're going to turn that burner off because we certainly don't need it anymore. And we have our 2 slices of Canadian bacon. So let me grab the plate here and we'll get this off on the plate right away. And it looks like we broke our yolk a little bit, but it's looking pretty good. I can tell you, in terms of quality, it's a much better sandwich. And look at the looks of that. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to enjoy this, but let me check my clock here. And it looks like it took us about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Plus you got to add on a minute and a half for toasting the muffin. So we did this in 6 minutes. And cost-wise, the ingredients for this cost about $1.50. Even with the high egg prices as we're shooting this video, this is about $1.50, maybe $1.60 tops with 2 slices of Canadian bacon. But compare that, I know in my city it's about $3.60, $3.70 for an egg muffin sandwich at that one place. So a good deal. You save money, make it faster, and with better quality too. So hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next time.